Hey, hi, welcome back. Now let's try our hands on creating a new OmniScript, right? Our first OmniScript. So you can always create a new app where you can put in all the Omni related details like OmniScripts, flex cards, IPs, data mappers, all those things, right? That we frequently use with Omni Studio, right? And for creating OmniScript, you can navigate to OmniScripts tab. You'll see something like this: recently viewed and all omniscripts, all those things. You'll see the list, and you can select any one existing or you can create a new one. So in this one, we'll see how to create a new one. When I click on new, it shows me this pop-up. Now giving a name and this type and subtype is mandatory. This, if you see in the trailhead, it will tell you like what is the importance of giving the name. It should be unique so as to aggregate or segregate the omnis. It will be easy to identify as well, right? Whenever you are writing type and subtype, you have to follow some naming convention that will help you in avoiding issues while deploying the omni from one sandbox to another. So ideally it has to be unique and it should be something which will help you identify, right? Suppose I say I have an opportunity of type new repeat. So what I can do, I can say okay, opportunity new customer, new customer. Okay, and I can give some description. This is used for creating new customer using opportunity. Okay, when I hit save, it will create that omni behind the scene, and then you will again land to the same UI which we have seen in the earlier session. We talked around what are the elements, what is the setup, right? And within this element, then we'll see like okay, what is the step, how we use step, how it will help us to create a UI. But in simple terms, this is your first step, right? You can also read more around what is your type, subtype, creating first omniscript, what is the importance of this. You can just navigate to this trailhead. You can just note down this name omniscript in omni studio for manage packages, configure a simple omniscript. It will give you all the steps and details around like how you should be creating your first omniscript, what all things you need to take care, what is the significance of that, and how it helps in the your project while you are working on the omniscript. So I hope you will try your hands on creating your first omniscript. Once you create a omniscript, in next session we'll see like okay, how we can add the screens, because it's all about omniscripts are used to create a dynamic screens, right? Behind the scene, this is all LWC, as we all know, right? So see you in the next session where we'll talk more around the adding element to the script. Thank you.